Hello, my name is Silvia Mendez, and this is my assignment for the Enhancement 2. So, as part of the Enhancement 2, I need to demonstrate that I have successfully created a local database, okay, which I did. Um, I launched my PHP, my admin, and I created the database with these fields. Okay, so I want to show that I created Acme, the Acme database in my local development environment. So here is Acme, the folder, and the database is here. So here is clients, and this is the table I'll create. And I also created a user account, okay, which is here, iClient. And here are the 5 data manipulation privileges, okay. So for the enhancement, I create a file, which is this one, connections PHP. And in this file, I create the function acme connect. So when I call this file, it works and I get a blank screen. So I create an echo so you can see it says connection successful. Okay, so when going to my browser and run it, here it is, connection successful. Here is the address. Okay, so because we need to see how to handle things when it fails, I make a mistake in the code like this. Okay, so if it fails, let's save this. Let's see. We will have this error page, a fail error page, which is a generic error page. So when I run, it generates this 500 PHP, which is the page I created. Okay, with this error. Okay, so the second part of the engagement is that I need to write SQL statements. So the first one is going to be this one: insert the following new client to the clients table. Okay, so here we are. We go to clients and SQL, erase this, and I'm going to copy the one I already did. Sorry, the one I already did, and it worked. Okay, so then is the row inserted, and here it is: Tony Stark, the email, the password, and the comments. Okay, the second one is that I need to modify the Tony Stark record, and I changed the client level to 3. So for that, we erase this one and we use update. So with update, we are going to change. So we can do simulate query, and it's going to show me that it didn't match. Okay. Okay, a moment. So instead of 2, it was 1. And so it was updated. And here the client ID is 3. Okay, so the next one is the nylon rope. So I have to modify what it says nylon rope, and it's going to read climbing rope. But this is going to be in the in this one, in the inventory table. So here we have nylon rope. Okay, so we go to the SQL again. So I copy the code. I use update and set. And then when I do simulate query, it says that the matches rows are 1, so I can go with that. And then when going to inventory, here it is that it says climbing rope instead of nylon. Okay. So then the next one is we are going to use inner join to select the invent name field from the inventory table and the category name field from the categories table for inventory items that belong to the miscellaneous category. Okay, so we go here again and we use the inner join. So I copy it here, just go, and here it is, all the change. Okay, and so the fifth one is that we are going to delete this, whatever is the name of this car, CCX, from the database. And so we are going to go to SQL again, and we are still in inventory. And so we copy it from here and goes here. So it says that there is a match row, so let's go for it. It's asking me again, say okay, and so it delete this name coexing car that was over here, and it's not here anymore. So that was my Enhancement 2 assignment, and thanks for watching.